Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Isuzu D-MAX SX HI-RIDE 4-wheel drive, stock reference number 5375. The shape runs from the 5th month 2012 through to the 10th month 2016. There's a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the radiated grille, grey type painted black, right hand headlight, rock slider type steel bull bar with all bolts and brackets, left hand headlight, left guard has one large dent, set of aftermarket extreme 4x4 Sunraysia steel rims, left front has a good tyre, a pair of caravan extendable mirrors, bonnet has multiple dents and a big palm dent in the centre, left front door has one small dent and one large dent, left rear door has two small dents, left rear 17-inch steel extreme 4x4 Sunraysia mag with a good tyre, factory tray with Dun & Watson guards, left hand guard has a small split, it has a TripleM sliding drawer, supplied with all bolts brackets, tail light guards are also a little bit damaged, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts brackets, loom and neck. Right rear 17-inch steel Sunraysia extreme 4x4 mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has two small dents, right front door has 5 small dents, right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 17-inch steel extreme 4x4 Sunraysia type mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, aftermarket Sony touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.